I hope everybody is doing great and welcome to yet another wonderful session in this amazing channel We Enthuse. So people, if you're all excited and if you're all ready to learn this particular topic, application of derivatives, then do let me know in the chat, because this is again a part of the Zero to Hero series which we are looking at currently. Hello Chris Cyrus, welcome man. So in today's class, I'm going to continue with this Zero to Hero series, and the topic which was requested by a lot of you was application of derivatives, because application of derivatives is one of the high weightage topics, and that is the reason why I have chosen this. So let's try to understand this chapter. I'm going to teach completely with respect to JEE Mains. Exactly what is required, I'm going to teach you. So this class will be very effective, and I would request all of you to give me your fullest attention. Okay. Hello Anshul. Hello Shreyas. Welcome man. Very nice to see you. Tornado. Vishnu is also here. Ankit. Welcome Ankit. Snehal. I hope I replied to your message, Snehal. Mano. Welcome man. We Enthuse FC is also here. Sachita. Welcome Sachita. Wonderful to see you. Tulasi Suji is here. Vishwa is here. And Manmohan Yadav is also here. Hello Manmohan. Welcome man. Is Cengage enough for JEE Advanced? Yes. Cengage, if you solve it fully, all the advanced problems as well, that is good enough for your JEE Advanced preparation. Hello Majid Wani. Welcome. Anshuman Singh is here. Kumkum Soni. Welcome. Very nice to see you guys. Lovely, lovely ninjas. Cyrus, I hope your practicals went good. I hope you are able to secure good marks. Usually practicals are fun. I miss those days. Hello Rajkumar. Welcome man. Devan Kumar. Welcome. Geetanjali. Welcome Geetanjali. So Sudhir Narayana saying, sir, HC Verma solution, nobody has done it in English. Sudhir Narayana, Shreyas sir has solved HC Verma in Vedantu. So that is why I keep telling, many of you guys are not aware of it. The entire HC Verma book, Shreyas sir has solved it as a micro course in Vedantu. So in case you want to get access to that, do check out the pro subscription. I will talk about it at the end maybe. Got it? So there are lots of cool things happening in Vedantu which you guys are not aware of. HC Verma, Iridov, and also Samir Bansal calculus book. We do solve these in a very effective manner. In case you want to access all these beautiful courses, check out the pro subscription. Got it? Hello Suvojit Das. Welcome man. And yes, Snehal says he has the solution of the book in PDF form. So maybe you can ask Snehal Sudhir. Okay. So people, absolutely, Wasim sir and Shreyas sir are speaking in English in pro. Very, very true. I will also be speaking in English. So I also take pro batches. I will start in a month or 2 months time. So I will also be taking in English only. So don't worry about it. Hello Gopal, welcome. Very good evening Gopal. So people, shall we get started? So let me start off with my introduction to all the new students who are here. And first, before I get into my introduction, guys, it's wonderful to have all of you, and it's always encouraging for teachers to meet new people. That is what makes this job so beautiful, and that is what Vedantu is here for. We want to get so many students to quality education. That is our whole journey. We want to bring so many students to access quality education, not just cities, not just towns, but also in places where, institutes cannot enter. People don't bother to go and help those students out. We want to reach those areas as well. That is why we have started this free YouTube channels where high quality content is given to you. Okay, so do support us, because your love and your support is what makes us going. Okay, so we are doing all of this is for you guys. So I hope you guys will support and love this channel as much as we do. Got it? So people, my introduction. My name is Shimon Joseph and I am from Chennai. I did my BTech from IIT Madras. And when I was like you guys a few years back, I also prepared for many exams. I prepared for KVPY and I cleared it. I prepared for JEE Mains and I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. So that is about my background. Now here I am gonna help you secure your dream college, your dream branch or your passion. I want you to follow and secure a good college for that. So that is why I am here and Vedantu is here to support you. Got it? Everybody cool with that? In case anybody wants to ask me personal questions, sir, I want advice from you. Which college to choose? What branch to choose? What exams to write? If you want to ask me all of that, you can message me on Instagram. So everybody nowadays is very active on Instagram, right? So I was active few years back in Facebook. So when I was a student, Facebook was very famous. Everybody, all the students are in Facebook, they post pictures, they ask doubts, they ask questions and all. But now the entire student community has shifted to Instagram. So that is why we are also on Instagram. I am also very active. You guys can ask me anything you want. Okay. So with that people, like I said, the most important slide for the day is this one because guys, We Enthuse is a very new channel. We are a very small channel. I'm sure you guys saw that. But we are helping out a lot of students who want to learn in English. The whole point of this channel, Vedantu started it because many students requested, sir, we want to learn in English. So when students say something, Vedantu will listen. So that is why I keep saying, we really do take responsibility for your studies. And it is not just a coaching institute, it is a platform where we use technology to make your learning effective. That is what Vedantu is gonna be. Everybody clear with that? Brilliant. So guys, like I said, do subscribe to the channel in case you are new to this channel. And if you are a very loyal subscriber, if you love us too much, then do share it with your friends. And finally, guys, in case you enjoy our videos, do give it a like, okay? Because that would motivate us and that would keep your teachers happy. Very good. Perfect. Gopal, thank you so much, Gopal. That is the reason why we are having this channel for you guys. And that is why we want to reach out to so many people. Got it? So guys, before we get started, I always say facts at the start of every lecture. So today, I'm going to talk about one very interesting engineering branch. Can you guess what I'm going to talk about? Can you guess what I'm going to talk about? Which engineering branch I'm going to talk about? Everybody might guess computer science. But guys, that's not it. I'm not going to talk about computer science. Very good, Sunil. That's a lot of time, Sunil. I'm very surprised that you're working for 15 hours a day. That's very high. So that's crazy high, actually. Good. But take care of your health also, man, because health is more important. My own branch is very off track. It is not a common branch. Yes, you guys are all correct. Many people are saying mechanical engineering. So guys, today I wanted to start my lecture with a small introduction to mechanical engineering. So guys, mechanical engineering is somewhat like this. Yeah, if you get into industries, this is what you might be working on. You might work on design, you might work on product, you can work on automobiles, you can work on thermodynamics, that is thermal physics, right? You can work on that as well. So those are the major branches of mechanical, and one of the biggest fact about mechanical is in every college the maximum number of students will be from mechanical. Okay, so in all IITs, so when I was in IIT Madras, mechanical had the largest number of students. we had 160 students per batch. So that is very high. 160 per batch is very, very high. Because in my batch, I had only 80 people. Okay, so like that, compared to all branches, mechanical will have the maximum population. Because everybody loves to learn it and it's a very versatile field. You can move to anything you want. So that is why people love to take mechanical, and usually it is dominated by boys. And IITs are usually like that. So when I was in IIT, in my branch, we had 80 students in which there were only 2 girls. So there were 78 boys and 2 girls. And in mechanical, it is 160 boys and 2-3 girls. So that's how IITs are. In IITs, the classroom is very skewed. You have many, many more boys as compared to girls. But now, thanks to the girls quota, I think the population of girls is increasing. Okay. So that is how mechanical is in IIT. But guys, how can you get in? Like I said, I want you guys to do mechanical in a good college. Let's say NIT Trichy, in IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, Delhi, in a good reputed institute. I want all my dear students, all my ninjas to try and secure a seat in mechanical engineering. But guys, that comes with a lot of hard work. Very good, Aishwarya, that's fantastic. That's great. Like I said, people, mechanical in a good college is not that easy. You need to put a lot of hard work, like NIT Trichy or IIT Madras. You need to really work for it. And that is why we are here to help you. We Enthuse English channel is there to help you by providing quality content. You can trust us on that. We will guide you till the end. Okay? Fantastic, people. And like I said, in case somebody wants to join Vedantu, let's say, sir, I want something more than YouTube. In YouTube, you don't have test series. In YouTube, there is no sequence of chapters. I want a regular organized teaching, sir. For those people, we have the Vedantu's platform, which we call as the Pro subscription. I will give the link in the description, because right now many of you students are in 11th standard moving to 12th, and this is a coronavirus situation. You don't have your offline coaching. You have to make a decision whether you want to study online with your coaching or whether you want to study online with Vedantu, which was a pioneer online education. So in case you get to try Vedantu, I would highly suggest you to check out the Pro subscription. Got it? So what do we have in that? We have live teaching. And guys, live teaching means what? You will be at your house, I will be at my house, and we will be at the same time learning. I will speak and you will listen. So live online class. It is not like Zoom. Many people think that Zoom classes are online classes. Guys, Zoom is meant for conferences. So your dad, your mom, your parents might use Zoom in their office, because Zoom is meant for office purpose. But Vedantu was not created for office purpose. Rather, Vedantu was created for effective learning. Effective learning. I hope you know that. So we made this platform. We have a team of IITians. We have computer science graduates from IIT, computer engineers from IITs who are working day and night to make this platform beautiful and engaging and efficient for you guys. And that is where you have the assignment coming in, you have the tests coming in, you have doubt solving. Everything will be available in just one place, which is the Vedantu app. So if you feel you want to check it out, do try it, and you can probably try out the crash course, because most of you in this class are from 12th standard. So for 12th standard guys, we have the crash course going on currently. I will also teach in this class probably a few chapters. Okay, in case you want to try it, use my coupon code, and the link I will share it in the chat. I will share the link in the chat right now. Okay, so people, the batch is starting on May, very, very close by. So I would suggest you to get it when the time is right. So this 6,000 rupees will cover mathematics, physics, chemistry, assignments, notes and test series. All of it put together for this price. Can you believe that? In the entire country or in the internet, you will not get this quality, this high quality content for this price. Manan Jain, I am happy for you, Manan, because I know your life is going to change. I know you're going to increase your percentile. I have seen that. By the crash course, 300 students have gone to 99 percentile. 300 students. It was 10,000 in price, but now we have reduced it for all our YouTube students because of our coupon code SJCC. So you guys can check it out. And with that, people, let's get started. I think I have explained enough about the courses. Now the ball is on your court. You need to make a decision. Sir, I want to be someone who can achieve what I dream of. I want to get into a good college, be it mechanical, computer science, electrical. I want to get into a good college and I believe Vedantu can do that for me. Then guys, don't keep thinking because the next 6-7 months are going to be online. You saw the corona cases, right? It's around 2 lakhs, more than 2 lakhs cases per day. People don't even feel safe to go outside. So at this point of time, you are restricted at home. But that does not mean your education should be compromised. That does not mean your education should be compromised. So that is why I keep saying, make a wise choice and check it out. You do the research and you will understand what I'm talking about. Now, are you all ready to revise? Can I say some questions? Okay, can I see some questions and answer them? How are you, Giridharan? Welcome, man. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Yes, Tornado, I will help you with the basics of AOD. Don't worry. After this class, you will understand it. Aishwarya is ready. Mustaq is ready. Cyrus is ready. Everybody is ready. So shall we get started, people? Sudhir, you can purchase it separately. Please ask Shreyas sir. Please message Shreyas sir. He will tell you how to purchase the HC Verma micro course. Where are you from? I am from Chennai, my dear students. Very good. Yes, Devan Kumar, that's absolutely enough. Badri Narayanan, is ocean engineering interesting? It is very interesting, but right now the field is down. So I would not suggest you to go for that unless that's the only thing you want. Okay, so people, let's begin. I hope all my dear lovely students are excited like these two ninjas over here. Hello Sugdha, welcome. Now with the same energy, my dear students, let's get into it. The first and the foremost thing which I want to teach all of you is rate measure. Hello Sugdha, very good evening, and I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope your dad gets better and do take care of him and do take care of yourself. Okay? I hope you'll get better soon. Jatin Yadav, I will answer all the personal questions in the end. And Arukonda Vamshi, you can message me here. I will answer all your personal doubts. So guys, can we all promise that we will stay silent? You will listen now because we have already seen a lot of important information which I shared with you. Whatever I showed you before is going to change your life. Some of you who's going to join the crash course, your percentile is going to blow up like anything. But now let's take an oath that we will listen to the class. I will solve questions also, Anshuman, but I want everybody to stay silent because if you keep answering, if you keep asking doubts, then I will get distracted because I am a teacher who loves to answer questions. You know that by now. So if you keep asking questions, I'll keep responding and only that we will do. And we will not learn anything, which is bad, right? Some people might hate it and then they'll be like, dislike Shimon Sir is only talking. So guys, let's try to solve. Okay, let's learn something. Okay, so people, like I said, the first topic is rate measure. We will try to understand what is rate measure. So guys, it's a very simple concept because we learned this in physics when we spoke about kinematics. Isn't that right? So let's try to understand it. So guys, your velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement. This you guys have studied. I'm very sure about it. So this is nothing but rate of change of displacement. So rate of change is nothing but d by dt. So rate of change of displacement is d by dt of x. Similarly, let's say area of circle is pi r square. So I want to find out how my area is changing with respect to time. Let us say I want to understand how my area is changing with respect to time. So I will want to find out dA by dt. So what will I do? I will apply d by dt over here on the right hand side as well. So what will be that? Pi is a constant, will come out. D by dt of r square will be 2r dr by dt. So this is the expression for rate of change of area of a circle. It is nothing but 2 pi r dr by dt. So rate of change of area of circle is dependent on the rate of change of radius of the circle. Everybody clear? Did you all like it? Fantastic. No, Saurabh, it is not 2 pi r. It is 2 pi r dr by dt, my dear. Okay. So this was a very easy one. Why it was easy, sir? Why do you keep saying easy? Because guys, my area is dependent only on r. So my area is dependent on one variable. My area is dependent on one variable. But what if I have two variables? Let us say volume of a cylinder. Let us say volume of a cylinder. I have 1 by, that is cone. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So let us say I gave you volume of cylinder and I'm asking you what is the rate of change of volume with respect to time. Now guys, I have two variables which are changing. So my volume is dependent on radius, my volume is dependent on height. Now I cannot differentiate because I have two variables. I need to use product rule. But guys, what we usually do is we convert one of them into the other by using some relationship that will be given in the question. Very good, Kriti. Very good, Kriti. Kriti, you are absolutely right. We convert one of the variable into the other by using some relationship given in the question. For example, they will tell you the cylinder will have radius to height ratio of 2 always. Let's say that is given in the question. The cylinder always has a ratio of radius to height as 2. So what will I do? I will put r is equal to 2h and I will put it here. So that will be d by dt of pi into r is nothing but 2h. So 2h the whole square into h. Now you see, because of this relation, I converted it to one variable. Then I will differentiate. This is how you are supposed to do, my dear children. Whenever you have a quantity which is having two or more variables, you need to bring it to one variable and only then you can differentiate, because that is what we know. We know how to differentiate. We know how to differentiate single variable. That is what we will do in this chapter. Are you all cool with it? Fantastic. So shall I move forward? Shall we look at a question now? How many of you are ready? So this is the basics. This is the first unit or first topic which you should know under this chapter, application of derivatives. And guys, it is going to be a fabulous session because I'm going to cover everything important for you. I'm going to cover everything which is important for application of derivatives. So shall we move forward? Very good. Very good. Why are we doing d pi by dt? Sangeeta, it is not d pi by dt. It is d of pi into 2h square into h. The whole thing, Sangeeta. Okay. So the pi you can bring it out because it's a constant. It is not only d pi by dt, Sangeeta. That is not correct. I am applying d by dt to my left hand side and I am applying d by dt to the right hand side. That is how I have got this. Are you all clear? Yes, Hari Rampal. It is a one-shot application of derivative revision. So people, here you go. This is a question for all of you. Come on guys. Let me see if you all can do it. Anshul, we have questions today also. I have brought some JEE Mains questions also. Please wait. Of course, all my classes you will have questions. I love to solve questions. I love to discuss questions because that's how you learn maths, right? That's how you learn maths. Okay, so come on people, everybody try it out. Jashwant, I don't think that's correct. Please try it again. Shaktika, I am just giving an example. I'm just giving an example saying that the ratio of radius to height is 2. Like that, something will be given in the question. Some information by which you can relate the two variables so that you can make it one variable. Did you understand, Shaktika? That is what I wrote. I gave you an example of a relation. I took it randomly as an example. Got it? So Jashwant, yes Jashwant, you are right. Now you are correct, Jashwant. Try to do it slowly. Don't make mistakes. You cannot afford mistakes in exam. Harsh Sharma, that's not correct. Please look at it again. Hello Jyoti Kumari, welcome. And Devan Kumar, you are right. Senthil, you are right. Shachita, very good Shachita. Komala is right. Anshul, very good Sangeeta. Very good Gopal. You guys are all absolutely amazing. Rajkumar, very good Rajkumar. You are correct. Baby Luffy is also right. Snehal is correct. Nancy is correct. Very good. No problem, Jashwant. But like I said, Jashwant, you cannot have any reasons in your exam. So you have to start practicing right from now. Okay. Lionel Messi, Sagar, Krishnan, Sparsh, you guys are all awesome. Now let me show you what is the scene here. Because here it is a confusing question. I purposely gave that. And you know what? I'm so happy you guys have all done it correctly. That shows you guys are all very good and you are all smart to find out the trap in this question. So the entire conical filter is just a trap for you. The entire conical filter is just a trap for you. It makes no sense. It is totally not needed to solve this question. I will show you why. So people, you have a cylindrical beaker in which the coffee is pouring, and on top of that you have a conical flask which has the coffee. So this radius is 15, this height is also 15, and that is the information which is not at all needed. Got it? Are you all clear? Now the coffee from the flask is pouring onto the beaker. The coffee from the flask is pouring onto the beaker. Now the rate at which it is pouring is 100 cubic centimeter per minute. 100 centimeter cube per minute. That's the rate at which you are flowing. That is what? That is nothing but dV by dt. That is nothing but the increase in volume of this beaker. Do you all understand? The increase in volume of coffee in this beaker is equal to 100 centimeter cube per minute. Did you all get that? Everybody? Now what is this beaker? What is this beaker's volume? The volume of this beaker is nothing but pi r square h. It is going to be pi r square h into d by dt, right? Because I need to differentiate this. Differentiation of the volume. That is equal to 100. Now guys, my cylinder's radius is constant. My cylinder's radius is constant. Diameter is 15. Diameter is 15. So radius will be what? Radius will be 15 by 2. So this is a constant. So I can take pi r square outside. So I will get pi r square dh by dt is equal to 100. Now what is r square? R square is 15 by 2 the whole square. So what is dh by dt? dh by dt is equal to 400 divided by 15 into 15 pi. So now you can divide and then get your answer. It's a very simple one. So you will get 3. So this will be 16. So 16 by 25 pi is the answer. So guys, it is gonna be option. Why is there no option? Okay, 16 by 9 pi, I'm sorry, yeah. Because if I divide by 5, you'll have 3 here, you'll have 3 here. So 16 by 9 pi is the answer, which is option D. Everybody clear? Very good. Did you all understand it? So the whole information about this conical flask was just totally unnecessary. This was not needed. This was not needed. So it was totally unnecessary, right? I hope you guys understood it. This is how they trap you. This is how they confuse you. But you have to stay calm, like how you did now. Many of you solved it correctly, and I'm so proud of you guys. Brilliant job. Let's go forward. This is what I expect of my students. You guys are absolutely amazing today. So let's continue with the same energy, guys. Hello, Abhi Babi, welcome. You are not late. This is the very first question. Let's get going, guys. Come on. Are you all clear with it? Hello, Vignesh. Welcome, man. Fantastic people. So here we go. The next concept which I want to teach you is the concept of tangent and normal. Like I said, this session is very laser focused. It is laser focused on your JEE Mains. I'm going to teach you exactly the topics which are going to be very useful to score in JEE Mains. So the first topic is rate measure. I think you have all understood it. Now the second topic which I want to conquer is tangents and normals. I have a very beautiful question coming up. I have a very beautiful question coming up. Please wait for it, everybody. Is this for class 11 to 12? Devan Kumar, this is ideally for people who are writing it this year, who are writing JEE Mains currently, but you can understand because I'm going to teach you right from the basics. All right. So people, please listen carefully. So let us say you have a curve like this. Let's say this is my curve, y is equal to f of x. Now people, I want to find out the equation of tangent and normal to this curve at a point, let's say P, which is x1 comma y1. I want to find the equation of tangent and normal at a point P in this curve. Now guys, how do you find equation of tangent or equation of normal? You all understand that tangent and normal are nothing but straight lines. Tangents and normals are nothing but straight lines, right? So they are going to be found out by having two conditions in your hand. Because any straight line, you need to have two conditions. Only then you can draw a unique straight line. I hope everybody knows that. So I have one fixed point. So I know one point. I just need to get one more condition. What is that condition? What is that condition? That condition is the slope. You are absolutely right, Soundarya. Very good. Absolutely right. You guys are all amazing. So like I said, people, you need one more condition that is obtained by the slope of tangent at this point. So how do I get slope of tangent at the point P? The slope of tangent, you guys have studied yourself in 11th standard. Physics you studied, right? What is dy by dx? dy by dx gives you the slope of a function at any random point. So this is my function. So if I get dy by dx at the point P, that will be equal to the slope of tangent. Isn't that correct? So I got slope of tangent. I know one point. So what is the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to slope of tangent at the point P into x minus x1. Now what is the slope of tangent at the point P? It is nothing but this value over. I got the equation. Can you believe how easy it is? Can you guys believe how easy it is? Simple, right? Very simple. Did you all like it? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. So this is how you find the equation of tangent. Now, how do you find equation of normal? Equation of normal, like I said, normal is also a straight line which is just perpendicular to the tangent and it passes through the same point. So what is the equation of normal? Equation of normal is y minus y1 equal to slope of normal at the point P into x minus x1. Now guys, how do you find slope of normal? Slope of normal at the point P will be equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent at the point P. So slope of tangent at the point P we already know. So I will plug it here and I will get slope of normal. Now that I will use it over here. That's it. That's it. Very good, Jashwant. Very good, Soundarya. Very good, Naman, Sangeeta. Yes, Sangeeta, I will repeat it one last time. Everybody got it? So Sangeeta, your tangent equation we are trying to find out, and your normal equation we are trying to find out. So first of all, Sangeeta, you need to understand that your tangent and normal are nothing but straight lines. So when you have a straight line, you need two conditions to get the equation. We have studied it in 11th standard, right? In 11th standard, we saw that the equation of straight line is obtained when you have two conditions for the line. So we have one given point here, which is P x1 comma y1. I have 1 point. Exactly, Gopal. Very good, Saurav. I'm so happy you guys are following. Now I just need one more question. I just need one more question. One more condition. What is that condition? That is nothing but the slope of tangent. Did you all understand that? That is nothing but the slope of tangent. So what is slope of tangent? The slope of tangent at the point P is nothing but dy by dx, the derivative of the curve at the point P. That is how you find it. You guys have learnt it in physics. You guys have learnt it in physics, right? That's exactly what I used. So I got the slope, I got the point. So 1 point slope form, 11th standard coordinate geometry. What is 1 point slope form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is m? M is dy by dx. Over. That's it. We have learnt it. So this is the way you find out the equation of tangent. Now, equation of normal, what do? We know that normal is a straight line which is perpendicular to your tangent, and it passes through the same point P. Because it passes through the same point P, my equation of normal will be y minus y1 is equal to slope of normal into x minus x1. So slope of normal I don't know. I don't know slope of normal. But can I find it? Yes. Can I find it? Yes. Because slope of normal is perpendicular to slope of tangent. Are you cool with it? So if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is -1. The product of the slopes is -1. Because of that, I will get slope of normal is -1 by slope of tangent. That's it. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic, people. So that is how you do it. Now, for all those who are asking, sir, subnormal, subtangent, should we know? Guys, we will do that. We will do that in coordinate geometry. Not right here, not right now. So don't worry about it. Forget it for now. Okay. So like I said, we will look at subnormal, subtangent. It just sounds fancy. It is not a very important concept. So don't worry about it. I will teach you when I teach you coordinate geometry, especially parabola. So in parabola, we use that a lot, but not very frequently for your JEE Mains. Okay. So shall we move forward, people? Yes? Fantastic. So guys, let us proceed and we will look at a very nice question right now. It is a brilliant question. I want everybody to try it out. Yes, baby Luffy, our channel has hit 29k subscribers. Very good news for all of you guys. We are very happy, and thanks to everybody, thanks to all the loyal ninjas of this channel. You guys made it possible and we are forever indebted to you. We will definitely continue to support you and help you till you guys achieve your dream, achieve your goal. Okay. Very good, Gopal. That's fantastic, man. I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, try to solve this question. It's a very good question. It's actually brilliant. So Snehal says A. Snehal, please try it out. Please try it out. You cannot do it that fast. Guys, come on. I want everybody to solve it. That is not correct, Snehal. That is not correct, Saurav. Everybody do it. Very good, baby Luffy, you are right. Yes. Absolutely. You can watch it. Grey Wolf. Yes, you can watch it. Very good, Vishruta. That's fantastic. Kala Murugan. No, man. Right now they don't, but in the future they might. Sachita, you're absolutely right, Sachita. Fantastic. Gaurav is absolutely right. Sendil is right. And Rajkumar is also right. Tulasi, very good Tulasi. Sparsh is also right. Vishruta is right. Cyrus is right. Snehal is right. Very good Snehal. That's brilliant. Nancy, very good Nancy. So guys, can we solve this question now? Please listen carefully. Adarsh, very good Adarsh. Harsh, Anshul, study with ease. You guys are all brilliant. You guys are awesome. Keep it up, guys. All of you deserve a round of applause because this is a very nice question. It is actually of JEE Mains level. It is actually exactly of JEE Mains level. You may get this in your exam. Okay. So first of all, I can simplify this and write it, right? So can I say the same equation, can I write it like this? Are you all okay with that? The same equation, can I write it like this? Are you all okay with that? First of all, tell me that. Gopal, don't worry Gopal, I will explain it from the scratch. I will explain it from the scratch. But I want everybody to tell me whether you have understood this. I just took the LCM and I moved the denominator to the right hand side. And this is what I got. Are you all okay with that? Everybody. Fantastic. Now, how do I get the tangent at an arbitrary point? Tangent at arbitrary point will be what? It will be nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. And we want to find out the x-intercept of the tangent. So x-intercept means your y coordinate is 0. X-intercept means y should be 0. Because x-intercept means it lies on the x-axis. If it lies on the x-axis, then your y coordinate will be under. So this is 0. So you'll get minus y1 by m and x1 will be here. That will be equal to your x-intercept. Are you all okay with that? So this is my x-intercept. Everybody cool with it? So I need to find out what is the slope of tangent. Now guys, the slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. Because x1 comma y1 is the point where we are drawing the tangent. So let's differentiate this and find out dy by dx. If I differentiate this, what will I get? I'll get minus 2a by x cube. Then I'll get minus 2b by y cube dy by dx is equal to 0. So I will get dy by dx is equal to what? I'll get minus ay cube divided by bx cube. Are you all okay with that? Now I am finding at the point x1 comma y1. So it will be y1 cube by x1 cube. Are you all okay with that? Everybody? So this is the slope of my tangent. This is the slope of my tangent which I need. Now plug it over here. So till here, first you guys go through it. Yes, Dandishwaran, please tell me what is your doubt. And Sangeeta, I will repeat it, Sangeeta. But first I want you guys to go through it. And like I said, people, you need to have a pen. You need to have a paper whenever you attend my class. Because I want everybody to learn. The whole point of this class to come here and enjoy the process of learning. So please do it along with me. Now go through it. I will explain it again from the scratch. Okay? Don't worry about it. Dandishwaran, please tell me what is your doubt. I would love to clarify it for you. Don't worry. I am here to help you. I will take all your doubts. Okay. So people, let's begin again from the start. Okay. So this expression, I wanted to use it at the end. So right now, let's have it like this. We know that the equation of tangent, which is nothing but a straight line, is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 and y1 is an arbitrary point on this curve. So that arbitrary point, I am taking it as x1 comma y1. So at this arbitrary point, I am drawing a tangent which is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Are you all okay with that? That's the first step. Guys, that is very simple. We have learnt it in 11th standard. We have learnt it in 11th standard. It is nothing but the equation of straight line in 1 point slope form. Everybody cool with that? Everybody? Fantastic. Prakash, thank you Prakash. Yes man, we are also very happy. That's fantastic, right? Now people, I want to find out what is the value of m, because in order to find equation of tangent, I need to have the slope of tangent, right? And the slope of tangent, my dear students, is nothing but dy by dx. Dy by dx at this arbitrary point x1 comma y1, because we have a random curve, right? So let's say the curve is like this. So at this point x1 comma y1, I am drawing the tangent. So I need to find the slope of tangent, right? So the slope of tangent is nothing but the derivative of the curve at the point x1 comma y1. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? So that is why I want to find out m. How do I find out m? I differentiate this equation. I differentiate this equation which is given to me. So if I differentiate it, what will I get? Derivative of a by x square is minus 2a by x cube. Guys, that comes from differentiation, because x to the power minus 2 differentiation is minus 2 by x cube. It is minus 2 by x cube. So that is why minus 2 by x cube. A is the constant. Similarly, minus b by y cube into 2 dy by dx. Now differentiation of 1 is 0. Then I got what is dy by dx. And I put the point x1 comma y1 because we are supposed to find the slope at that point. Now that will be equal to the slope of tangent, which I will substitute over here. Are you all clear with it? And how did I get this expression? This I got by putting y equal to 0, because they asked x-intercept, right? So if it is x-intercept, then my y coordinate will be 0. So I put y as 0. So I'll get minus y1 by m, and that minus x1 I'll bring it here. That will be my x-intercept. Are you all clear till here? Everybody? Did you like it? Tulasi, did you like it? Everybody? Anybody has a doubt even now? Please let me know, or else pull the video back and go through it again. Very good Tornado, you are absolutely right. Very good Gopal. Fantastic Sangeeta, I am so happy you followed it. You guys are all amazing. Yes Adarsh, please tell me what is your doubt. Okay, so people, now we can easily cover it. So what do we have here? We have x-intercept is equal to x1 minus y1 by m. What is m? M is nothing but minus a y1 cube by b x1 cube. So that is my x-intercept. Are you all clear with that? So minus and minus will become plus, and you can cancel 1y and 1y. So it will become y1 square. I will take 1 x1 outside. So I'll be left out with what? I'll be left out with 1 plus b x1 square by a y1 square. So if I take LCM, what will I get? I'll get x1 into a y1 square plus b x1 square divided by a y1 square. Now guys, what is a y1 square? I told you this can be simplified as ay square plus bx square is equal to x square y square. We know that x1 comma y1 lies on this curve. So can I say a y1 square plus b x1 square is equal to x1 square y1 square? So the numerator I can write it as x1 square y1 square, and denominator is a y1 square. So y1 square cancels. So the x-intercept is nothing but x1 cube by a. That's it. So it is proportional to the cube of the abscissa of the point of tangency, which is nothing but x1. Abscissa means x coordinate. Cube means you cube it. Absolutely right. Did you all like it? Fantastic question, no? It is a brilliant question. Totally capable of coming in your exam. This is a JEE Main level question. I hope you liked it. It was absolutely fantastic. That is why I wanted to share it with you. Okay. So guys, like I said, please solve it along with me. Only then you will understand it faster. Vignesh, I am doing great, man. Thank you for asking. Everybody got it, guys? Shall I move forward? Are you all cool with it? Lingaraj, we started at around 4 o'clock. We started at around 4 o'clock. Yes, Soundarya, it will automatically adjust, Soundarya. Don't worry about it. So let's go to the next one. So people, this is the next question for you, and this is from JEE Mains March attempt. So this was asked in JEE Mains March attempt. Everybody please go through it and try to solve it. So Snehal, we will continue up to 5:30 because I still have a lot of important things to teach you. Okay, so how do we solve this? Let me do it along with you guys. First of all, I will teach you how to solve. Listen carefully. You can try to learn from the way I am approaching the question. Got it? So please listen carefully, guys. If the normal to the curve, okay, if the normal to the curve y of x at a point a comma b, so this point lies on the curve. So let's integrate this. What is y of x? Y of x is nothing but 2t square integration is 2t cube by 3 minus 15t is integration is 15t square by 2 plus 10 integration is 10t, and that I will do from 0 to x. So that will be what? That will be 2x cube by 3 minus 15x square by 2 plus 10x. Are you all okay with that? That is your y of x. Are you all fine with that? This is the curve. Very good. Very good, Snehal. Vignesh and Snehal have got it in their shift. I will teach you how to solve it. It's a very easy question. Now, the normal is parallel to this line. That means the slope of normal is equal to the slope of this line. Now, what is the slope of this line? Can you guys tell me? Let's see. Let us see if you guys can answer it correctly. What is the slope of this line? Come on, people. I am expecting right answers. Very good, baby Luffy. You are absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct. Very good. Very good, Kirti Aran. The slope of this line is minus 1 by 3 because the slope is found out by minus of x coefficient by the y coefficient. That is why it is minus 1 by 3, and that will be equal to the slope of normal because the normal is parallel to this line. So if they are parallel, then the slopes are equal. So I found out the slope of normal. Now what is slope of normal? Slope of normal is nothing but minus 1 by dy by dx. Do you agree? So can I say dy by dx at the point a comma b, because that is where we are finding out, right? Dy by dx at the point a comma b should be equal to 3 because minus minus will get cancelled. So 3 should be equal to this value. So let's differentiate it. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to, I will have 2x square minus I will have 15x plus 10. Now this should be equal to 3 when I put x equal to a. When I put x equal to a, because at a comma b, right? So x equal to a, y equal to b, but we have x only here. So let's put it and solve it. So I will get 2a square minus 15a plus 10 minus 3. So plus 10 minus 3 will be what? It will be plus 7 is equal to 0. So I will get what? Can you guys help me here? So I will get 2a square minus 14a minus a plus 7 is equal to 0. So I will get a is equal to 1 by 2 or a is equal to 7. Is that right, my dear children? A is equal to 1 by 2 or a is equal to 7. A cannot be 1 by 2 because a is more than 1. So a cannot be 1 by 2. So a should be 7. Are you all clear with that? I got a is equal to 7. Are you all fine with that? Very good, Harsh Sharma. Harsh Sharma is absolutely right. Very good, very good. Tulasi Ram, don't worry, I will help you understand. I will try to repeat it again once the entire question is over. Got it? Now people, after you got A is equal to 7, you need to find out B, right? So how do you do that? We know that A comma B lies on this curve. A comma B will lie on this curve, right? So I can do that and get the value of B. So let me write it down. Please listen carefully. A comma B will satisfy this curve, right? So B is equal to twice of A cube by 3 minus 15A square. 15A square by 2 plus 10 into A. So that will give you B. You guys can find it out. Now put it back here. You will get the answer. As simple as that. Okay? Again, very good question, guys. It's a very nice question. It is completely based on whatever I have covered for you guys right now. Very good, Snehal. Snehal is absolutely right. Velugula, we will continue with Pathfinder from Thursday. Okay, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you'll have Pathfinder. Please wait for it. Hello, Venkat. Venkat, you're not late, but you did miss a few important points. I covered a lot of good things, Venkat. You missed it. So try to pull the video back or watch it again later on. Got it? Very good, Rajkumar. Very good, Jashwant. You guys are all absolutely right. The answer is 406. The answer is 406. Everybody cool with it? People? Everybody is fine with it? Brilliant, guys. So now I will teach you one final concept and we will wrap it up with that. Okay? I want to teach you one final concept and maybe the remaining part I will take it up in another session. Got it? So the final concept which I want to teach you guys is the concept of increasing and decreasing function. People, this is very important. So please pay attention. Okay? The concept of increasing and decreasing function. So what do you mean by an increasing function? Increasing function means it will keep rising from left to right. So if we have a function which is increasing from left to right, then it will look somewhat like this. So as I move from left to right, it will keep going up. That is what is called as an increasing function. So whenever you have an increasing function, my dear children, whenever you have an increasing function, the way to find it out is the derivative will be positive always. Wherever it is increasing, at those points, the derivative of the function must be positive. Only then you can call it to be an increasing function. Did you guys understand that? Did you guys understand that? Are you all okay with it? Wherever my derivative is positive, at those points I can say that it is an increasing function. Everybody cool with it? Yes? Hello Jyoti, welcome Jyoti. What do they mean by dx by dy? It is the rate of change of x with respect to y. Got it? Change of x with respect to y. That is dx by dy. We use that in differential equation and differentiation. Very good Shaktivel, very good Aishwarya. Now, what is a decreasing function? So when you have a decreasing function, guys, it will look somewhat like this. It looks somewhat like this. You have a continuously falling down function. So this is what we call as a decreasing function. So as you see, from left to right when I move, the function keeps coming down. From left to right when I move, the function keeps coming down. And how do you quantify it? For a decreasing function, f dash of x will be lesser than 0. For a decreasing function, your f dash of x will be lesser than 0. Are you all cool with it? What is point of inflection? Again, that comes in maxima, minima. Point of inflection means the point where the concavity of your function changes. Okay, for example, for the graph y equal to x cube. So this is the graph y equal to x cube. So if you look at this graph, at 0 to the right side, it is concave upwards. Concave upwards. And to the left side, it is concave downwards. So that is why 0 is called as the point of inflection, because about 0, the concavity of the graph changes. How do you find point of inflection? The first derivative is 0 and the second derivative is also 0. So that is how you find out point of inflection. I hope you understood it. Everybody cool with it? Are you all fine with it, guys? Yes? Shall we move forward? Fantastic. So I gave you the condition for increasing and decreasing function. Now based on that, let us try to solve a question. Everybody try it out. Again, it is a tough question. It is a tough question which can come in your JEE Mains. This is actually an advanced level question also, you can say. So I want everybody to try it out. Come on people. You guys are capable of getting it correct. I know you guys can. Everybody try to do it. All my dear students, all of you try it out. So we have h of x to be f of g of x. Got it? Now guys, so h of x is a composition of f and g. So when you have composition of two functions, one is increasing. So f of x is an increasing function and g of x is a decreasing function. So when you have increasing and decreasing in composition, then the overall function will be a decreasing function. That is a property. You guys can please make a note of it. Hello, official Furkan, welcome man. Guys, did you all understand that? Guys, I will explain it again. It is a property when you have composition of function. When you have composition of function, let's say f of g of x. If one of them is increasing and one of them is decreasing, then the composition function will be a decreasing one. That's a property of composition of functions. Are you all okay with that? So can I say h of x will be a decreasing function? Can I say h of x will be a decreasing function? Yes or no? And what is the domain? What is the domain of h of x? H of x will also be from 1, 10 to 1, 10. Did you all understand that? Is that right or wrong? Because the domain is whatever values x can take over here. So the domain of h is nothing but the domain of g, which is 1:10. So which is 1 to 10, right? That is what I have written here. That is a domain. And what is the codomain? The codomain is a set of all values which can include your range. So that is going to be 1, 10. Are you all fine with it, guys? Everybody? Can you please go through it now quickly? Can you please go through it now? Everybody, please look at it and tell me. Yes, fantastic guys. Now let me draw the graph. You will love this question. You will love this question. So this is 1, this is 10. So this is my domain. I have the function between 1 to 10 and the range also is 1 to 10. I cannot go beyond this. Now f of 1 is 1. So f of 1 is 1, my dear children. Now f of x should be a non-increasing function. F of x should be a non-increasing function. So I cannot go up at all. I can maybe stay flat or I can come down. But I cannot come down also because 1 is the last value. I cannot come below 1. So h of x will be a constant. So answer is option C. Isn't that brilliant? Isn't that brilliant? H of x will be non-increasing, Kirtiaran. Did you love it? Wasn't it fabulous? Just by thought process, just by concept, I solved this question. I didn't do anything fancy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yes, everybody? Very good, people. It was a fantastic question. I hope you guys loved it. Great, 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 great. So people, with that, I will probably cover one more question for you. One more question. Again, a brilliant question. No, Kirtiaran. No, no, no. Kirtiaran, I did not say that. For this question, it is constant. Because it is not increasing and it cannot come down also. So it has to be constant only, right? That is why it's a constant in this question. But not always. Non-increasing means it can come down, Kirtiaran. Non-increasing means it can come down also, or it can stay flat. That is what is meant by non-increasing. It just cannot go up, but it can come down or it can be flat. Understood? In our case, it cannot come down because we are already at the lowest point of our interval, which is 1. That is why it has to be a constant. Exactly, Snehal. Snehal, you have understood it. Nihant Sai, I will try to do that, Nihant. Yes, baby Luffy. This is the last question, guys. Please try to solve it. After this, I will conclude the session and we will meet again for the continuation in another class. Very good, Kirtiaran, you are right. So guys, first of all, you need to find out whether f of x is increasing and g of x is increasing. So let's draw it. So let us say this is x1, this is x2. So x1 is greater than x2. So x1 is greater than x2. So did I draw it correctly? Yes. Are you all clear? Now, what is f of x1? F of x1 is very high as compared to f of x2. So can I say f of x is an increasing function? Can I say f of x is increasing function? Did you all understand that over here? Isn't that fantastic? That is what this statement means. Now you might ask me, sir, they told for x1, x2 only. No, sir. How do you know for all inside points? Guys, they said for all x1, x2. For all x1, x2, if you have this condition, then it is an increasing function. Did you all like it? Now, so f of x is increasing, I found out. Let's see g of x. Now g of x, what did they say? They said g of x1 is lesser than g of x2. So that means g of x is a decreasing function. That means g of x is a decreasing function. So this is the first information I gather. This is the first information I gather. Everybody got it? So let me erase the diagram. I have understood it now. Now, when you remove an increasing function, the sign of the inequality will remain the same. When you remove an increasing function, the sign of the inequality will remain the same. Now, I am removing a decreasing function, the sign of the inequality will reverse. The sign of the inequality will reverse. So, it will become alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 4 is less than 0. So you will get alpha minus 1 into alpha minus 4 is less than 0. So alpha belongs to 1 comma 4. So the least integer value of alpha is 2 because the integer value of alpha which is lowest is 2. That's your answer. Did you all like it? Did you all enjoy this question? Everybody? Very good Nihant Sai, very good Tulasi, very good Pratibha. Welcome Pratibha. I hope you're all enjoying the questions. So guys, with that, we will probably wind up this session. We will meet again for another class on the continuation of this. Okay, I want to bring slightly easier ones for you because I want to explain the concepts very well. Why 2? Because alpha belonged to 1 to 4 na, Badri. It belonged to 1 to 4 and they asked least integer value. So 1 is not included Badri. So the next integer is 2, right? So that's why 2 is the answer. 2 belongs to this interval. Got it? They asked least Badri. Which is least? 2 or 3? Is it 3? Huh? 2 is least now. Of course 2 is the answer. Got it? So guys, I will continue the remaining topics in the next class. Now before we conclude, I want to show you guys the crash course. So people, like I said, in case you are interested to improve your JEE Mains percentile, you guys can check out the crash course offered by Vedantu, because we have guaranteed proven results. We had 307 people getting above 99 percentile. We had 500 people getting above 97 percentile and 700 students above 90 percentile. These are all our crash course and regular Vedantu batches result. In case you want to have such an improvement, you can obviously check out the crash course, because they are all designed by the founders themselves. We have Anand Sir, we have Pulkit Sir, who are all overseeing the content, overseeing the quality of education provided to each and every student who joins Vedantu. And we have produced All India Rank 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, so on in JEE as well as NEET. Got it? In case you also want to be here as one of the toppers, you can check out the crash course, because you have time now. Now that the April attempt is shifted, you don't know when it is going to be. But all that has given you is more time, so you can sharpen your preparation. You can fine-tune your preparation. And for that, my dear students, this crash course can be of great help, because the original price was 10,000 rupees. Now we have made it for 6,000 rupees because of this coupon code for all our YouTube students. If you use SJCC, you will get a 40% direct discount, and you will have to pay only 6,000 rupees for math, physics, chemistry, all 3 subjects teaching, along with assignments, along with class notes, along with test series. We have 20 series in the test that we conduct for all of you in the crash course. So definitely it will help you get exam temperament. You will have an idea as to what to attempt first, and we will give you a complete analysis of your attempt. How much time you took, what is your accuracy, what might be your percentile, everything will be provided to you. In case you are interested, do check it out. Yes, of course, Vignesh, Vedantu has NEET batches also. You can check out the other channel. Wasim sir teaches that. NEET Elite. It is called as NEET Elite. You can go and check it out. Okay. So people, I have already shared the link. I have shared the coupon code. So now you can make the decision. Like I said, this investment is nothing compared to your future. This can lead you to NIT Trichy, IIT, or maybe triple ITs. So when you can get that for such a small, reasonable investment, guys, don't think too much. That too at this time where you have the COVID cases increasing rapidly day by day. So you are bound to your house. You have to stay in your home and study. So in case you want to get access to some high quality teaching online at the comfort of your house, then this might be a good choice. Oh, she is in your college second year. I am not sure, man. For that, I don't think we take classes. Okay. Not for undergraduate education. No. So with that, we will conclude, people. This is a Telegram group. Do join us in case you are interested to be updated with the happenings of this channel. And finally, the most important slide. If you are new to this channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And if you loved the video, share it with all your friends. And in case you loved it, do let me know by giving a like. Okay? So all the best, my dear children. We will meet again with the continuation of this session some other time. And tonight at 9 o'clock, what chapter do we have? Tonight at 9 o'clock, we have probability. So don't miss my class. Kriti, you asked for my schedule, right? Tonight at 9 p.m., I will be taking a class on probability. So see you all there. Till then, enjoy your life, take care, and work hard, my dear children. Okay? Bye-bye, guys. Take care. Oh my God, I just slipped. Okay, guys, take care. Bye-bye. See you.